Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I will show you one useful new features that has been included in the Mi Music applications, which will be available for almost all Xiaomi smartphones. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open Mi Music applications. So on opening the Mi Music applications, you can see songs. So what you need to do is, when you tap the song for the first time and you just pause it, and here in the above you can see a 3-dot button. Just tap on it, and here you can see one new options, that is the ringtone editor. So using it, what you can do is you can select the portion of the song. And you can see below set as ringtone. So you can tap on it and you can set it as ringtone. So in my opinion, it is very useful for those people who love adding the custom ringtones for their smartphones. Then definitely it's a good features that has been included in the Mi Music application. So in my opinion, you try it out by yourself, and if you not got such options in your Mi Music, so try to check for updates in the system update applications, and if you find any updates for the Mi Music, update it to the latest versions, and I'm sure you will get such features on the latest Mi Music updated versions. So try it out by yourself, and if you not find these features, then let me know in the comments below. I will try to help you to get such features, and I will try to provide those software links too if you put a request in the comments below. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.